G'day everybody. Well, just a few things I want to cover very quickly. It's going to be very hot today, so I'm not actually going to be doing much. First thing being the cat. Yes, it is going to be getting up to about 40 degrees C down here in Melbourne, so I'm not going to be doing a whole lot today. Probably just be inside on YouTube and whatnot, catching up on videos. Bit of Doctor Who and stuff's always good. But Crompton Parkinson motor. I may not have to rewind this after all. I have been able to get enough of the original terminals back that I may just be able to re-terminate that, just tie those together with a longer bit of copper wire on, just heat shrink them, and that should be enough if the stator's not open circuit, that is. A little bit of some of that tar stuff sort of come off of it. That's just the original colour of the copper there. But if it's not open circuit, I may be able to get away with being able to run it like that. I'll just have to get some heat shrink and some like 10 amp cable, even though this thing actually only draws about 2 amps, 2.5. I read out the one for the 115 volt setting. It's 2.5 over here for 240, while 5 amps in America, because they've got lower voltage, higher amperage. As well as that, I've started removing rust and also the old paint. That's basically down to bare metal now. I put a little bit of grease on it just to stop it rusting until I can get the paint on it. The original colour, if I can find a bit, it was that gunmetal grey colour there. That's what this motor was originally painted. It's had about 5 other coats of paint put over it. So at least I know what to paint it with now. So yeah, so there's probably going to be more of this happening, especially with the stator and the rear end bell, which I did manage to get off. It's that'll come up alright. It's not too badly damaged, a little bit there, but that'll be alright. And yeah, so that's where we are with that. The rotor's just fine. The con bars on that'll need a bit of a polish. Clutch will need a bit of a lube up, but it should work alright, hopefully. Found that on the side of the road as well. Other things, if anybody wants that, you can have it for nothing. I don't want any money for it, but you've got to come down here and pick it up yourself. If anybody's interested, just put eMac in the comments and it's yours. Because at this point in time, I just don't have enough time to be messing around with that and trying to fix it up. It is complete, it's all there, but it doesn't work. So if anybody wants it, you can come down and pick it up yourself. So yeah, basically it was to make room for, not that capacitor, this, which I found yesterday. Gorgeous little email Westinghouse window unit aircon. This thing is tiny. I mean, it's probably for a RV or a caravan or something, but it's all there. As far as I can tell, it works. There's a front cover for it. It's Westinghouse, manufactured by email. If I can get a good focus on that. Yep, our friend's back. Yeah, there's Jamaica model there. It's a ultra lightweight unit, or what was described as far as I can tell it works, even though it says okay, cool only, but that doesn't matter. Yeah, this thing should clean up nicely, so there'll be lots of videos on this. There's a fan motor down in there. The compressor will be around the other side here, if you can see it through the louvers. I don't know what it is. Not 100% sure on what was in these old units, whether it's a rotary or a very early reciprocating compressor or not, I'm not sure. But there'll be videos on that, lots of videos on cleaning that up. And yeah, probably conclude this for now. It's starting to heat up, and thanks for watching.